Hello everyone, I am Dr. Chandrajit working as Associate Professor in the Department of MCA, MIT Mysore. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Python in our machine. First and foremost, go to the Google and type Python download as keyword. Click on this link, download Python. Make sure you are downloading from the python.org website. The latest version of the Python is 3.10.1, but we are going to download the stable version 3.8. So look for 3.8.10 in this list and click on download. Scroll down and download either the 32-bit or 64 depending upon the operating system you are using. So in my machine I have installed 64-bit operating system, so I'm going to download the 64-bit Windows installer. Go to the downloads folder, double click on the executable file, check add Python 3.8 to path. So this will set the environment variable. Otherwise, we will not be able to run and execute the Python program from the command prompt. Click on install now. Click on yes. Now Python has been installed. Click on close. Go to the command prompt and type Python. Now you can see the Python interactive command prompt is active. You can just type print welcome to Python programming. You can see the print statement has executed. You can also use it like a calculator. To go back to the command prompt, type quit. Now we'll check which version of Python has been installed. Python dash dash version. So the installed version is Python 3.8.10. Now we'll see where this Python has been installed. So go to the C drive, click on users, go to the primary user folder. Inside the primary user folder, you need to go into the app data folder, but app data is a hidden folder. So let us click on view and click on hidden items. Now you can see app data is visible. Click on app data. Now navigate to local and then go to the programs folder. Here you can see Python folder. Double click on this. Go into the Python 38 folder. This is where your Python has been installed. Okay. Now click on this address bar and then type cmd. The command directly opens. From here also you can go to the Python command line. Print hello. Okay. Now click on the address bar and type cmd and hit enter button. Open the command prompt. I will go to the E drive. I'm going to create one folder called example. I'm going to get inside the example folder. Now I wish to open a notepad to type as a Python program. I'm going to just display hello world. click on File, Save As, All Files, first.py. So go to the E drive example folder and save it. So in order to compile the program, type py first.py. So you got the output. So this is how you can create programs from the command prompt itself using Notepad. Now I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use idle IDE to run and execute Python program. Click on the search bar and type idle and click on it, open idle IDE. Here the Python interactive command prompt is active. You can type hello, and now you can notice it's working in the similar way how we executed from the command prompt. Now we are going to write a simple program to display hello world. Click on file, select new file, type the program, print hello, save it. I'm going to name the file as hello.py. Click on save. In order to run it, click on run and select run module. Now you can see the output hello displayed in the Python PowerShell. If you wish to debug the program, you can click on the debug options and click on debugger. In this window, you can control the debug settings and run the program statement by statement. Friends, I have explained to you two ways of executing Python programs. There is also one more IDE which is more sophisticated than idle, which is called as the Anaconda. So people, those who are interested in data science and machine learning, as it is consisting of all the necessary libraries, type Anaconda, download, and click on the individual edition Anaconda from the www.anaconda.com website. Click on download. Once it is downloaded, you have to follow the similar step of how you install the Python. Just click on the next and Anaconda is ready for use. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to install library into the Python. Go to the command prompt and type pip, that is nothing but package installer, install package name, that is I want to install pandas. Take for example pandas, which is a preferred package for data analysis. Yes, pandas has been successfully installed. If you wish to see what are the different packages installed in your machine, just type list. These are the list of libraries installed in the machine. So you can notice pandas has been installed and version is 1.3.5. So friends, I hope this video is informative. Thank you very much. Happy learning.